Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki Boulevard C90. That's 90 cubic inches or 1,520 cc's of big bore power. Beautiful two-tone silver metallic cruiser with a touring windscreen and wind guards, highway bars, floorboards, a really nice passenger backrest. This bike is super low miles, only 4,458 miles on this gorgeous 06 Boulevard C90. Liquid cooled, fuel injected, shaft drive. Make your big bore touring dreams come true. This is gorgeous Suzuki for just $41.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.